Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix SPLITGATE error in a reloaded game, crashing or not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then choose power button and then select restart PS5. Now after restarting your PS5, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next solution is to restore licenses. First open settings and click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded, then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose saved data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage, then select SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar and select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. First go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move down to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete option and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded game once again to check for the error. Now if the issue continues, next solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.